Hi friends, good morning to you. My name is Jayul Doshi. I'm the MD and CEO of Dr. Spine India. Today I'm here to take you through a Whitefield Center and show you around a small tour and also make you meet our doctors and show you how we treat our patients and also make you understand our facility. Follow me. Welcome to Dr. Spine, Whitefield, Bangalore. This is our second center in Bangalore, and this is much spacious with more facilities and more treatment rooms. Let me take you inside. Meet our team. She is Rebecca and he's Puneet. This is where the patient first comes and has a first interaction with our team. And this is what you do. You have to take this and fill this up. This is a form which gives all the details about your past history, your condition, and what's important is that the doctors need to understand exactly what's happened to you in the past. We'll take you through this in a short while. Follow me. This is our physiotherapy room, and this is where we treat the frozen shoulder and the tennis elbow. And this is different from the chiropractic treatment rooms. Okay. This is our intake room where the patients has a pre-condition assessment discussion with our team members, from which the doctors are made aware of the conditions. And here we have the three treatment rooms, Chiro 1, Chiro 2 and Chiro 3. Let me just take you to Chiro 1. And this is where our most handsome Dr. Craig, most famous Dr. Craig, treats the patients. Right? This is a very special table and it's a manual table where the conditions like lower back, neck pain and sciatica are treated by Dr. Michael Craig. This is our Chiro 2. This is where Dr. Kruti from US, who's with us, treats patients for the same conditions but on a different treatment module. This is called the Cox table, and this is where the patient is treated for the ailments. Hi, Jayul Doshi once again. It's time for me to introduce you to our famous doctors. Meet Dr. Michael Craig. Dr. Craig comes from Atlanta, Georgia, with 40 years of experience, rich experience as a chiropractor. Dr. Craig also is an author of many books, and the most famous one is Logical Soul, which talks a lot about various ailments. Incidentally, Dr. Craig has also done a lot of videos on neck pain, back pain, lower back pain, and sciatica, and so on and so forth. So I urge you to go down to his channel, Dr. Spine or Dr. Michael Craig, and check out his videos on all these conditions. We also have the very beautiful and cute Dr. Kruti. Dr. Kruti comes to us from Atlanta, Georgia, and she has collaborated a lot with Dr. Michael Craig in US. They both have worked together and a lot of treatments. Dr. Kruti is with us since August 2020, and since then Dr. Kruti has done a lot of patients with a lot of different conditions, and they are here at Whitefield, Bangalore to treat you. So here I hand you over to our doctors who will explain to you of a very special condition and some treatments which is not covered earlier. So here you are, Dr. Craig. Over to you, please.